Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're cooking Ehomaki. Ehomaki is a traditional during Setsubun, the eve of spring according to the Japanese lunar calendar, is a special type of sushi roll eaten for good luck. It's customarily consumed in silence, facing the rocky direction of the year, which varies annually based on the zodiac. The roll is filled with 7 ingredients symbolizing the 7 gods of fortune, each with its own meaning, such as Kampyo for longevity and Datemaki for wealth accumulation. The practice extends beyond enjoying a delicious meal to embracing a moment of hope and reverence for the coming year. So, let's start cooking! Start with the cucumber. Massage it with salt and let it sit wrapped for 30 minutes to an hour to soften and release moisture. Prepare the omelette. For this recipe, we'll make a simple omelette without seasoning. Beat 2 eggs. Heat oil in a frying pan, wait until it's hot, then pour half of the egg mixture in. Once partially set, hold the omelette from the back to the front in 3 parts. Add more oil, lift the cooked omelette and pour the remaining egg underneath. Hold again once set. Remove from the pan onto plastic wrap, shape, then cool in the fridge. Next, prepare sushi rice. We are using a recipe for 2, but check the description for different rice quantities. In a microwave-safe bowl, mix vinegar, sugar, and salt, and heat in the microwave until the sugar dissolved. Alternatively, warm this mixture in a pot if making a larger quantity. Once the sugar is dissolved, mix thoroughly with warm rice. Incorporating the vinegar mixture while the rice is hot ensures even absorption and flavor. Mix the rice by slicing through it with paddle, cooling with a fan to prevent stiffness and reduce the vinegar's sharpness. Once the rice is at room temperature and not too sticky, it's ready for sushi. Prepare negitoro by mincing tuna and mixing it with chopped green onion. This rich, flavorful mix is a favorite. After resting, the cucumber will have released water. Rinse off the salt and slice it into strips. If you have leftovers, enjoy them as a crisp, seasoned snack. Slice the omelette into strips. Cut other fillings into stripes as needed. Our sashimi came pre-cut, perfect for rolls. Now it's the end of ehomaki. Place the seaweed on top of the makisu and place the rice on top. Please leave about 2 cm of rice in front of you and 5 cm of space in the back. Fill both sides with the rice to the brim. Makisu is a bamboo tool used to make seaweed rolls. If you don't have a makisu, the seaweed will tear or you won't be able to get enough momentum to roll it. The makisu has just the right amount of elasticity, so you can easily adjust the amount of force and feel the texture of the food as you roll it. If you don't have a makisu, we also recommend using parchment paper. This time we didn't have a makisu either, so we used the placemat instead. For that reason, we place plastic wrap in between, but if you have a makisu, you can place the nori directly on it without placing the plastic wrap. Once the rice is placed, place the ingredient in order. Place the ingredient in the middle slightly towards you. Adjust so that the ingredients fit all the way to the edge. Once all the ingredients have been placed, hold the front side of the roll and roll vigorously, aiming past the ingredients. Ehomaki is difficult to roll because it is thick, but the key is to roll it all at once. Once you have rolled it all the way, use a makisu to press it firmly. Then let it rest a while in plastic wrap. The rule is to eat ehomaki as one long piece without cutting it. However, if it is not an ehomaki, I think it is easier to eat it cut up. When cutting, dip the knife in vinegar or water after each slice to make it easier to cut. Just looking at ehomaki with a lot of toppings will make you excited, but the luxurious contents will make you feel satisfied. By the way, ehomaki is often eaten on Setsubun, but there is another event on Setsubun. It's bean throwing. It is an event where people throw beans while saying Oni is outside, fortune is inside. Generally, the father or mother plays a role of the Oni and throw beans at the Oni to drive it out of the house. It is said that after driving out the Oni, you should eat as many beans as your age and pray for the happiness for the year. This is because it was thought that by sowing beans, which are said to have spiritual power and have the same energy source as rice, you will be able to ward off illness and misfortune, and the eating the beans will also give you strength. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you for watching our guide to making ehomaki, a flavorful traditional that brings together taste and culture. We hope this video inspires you to embrace this Japanese custom, whether for Setsubun or as a delicious part of your sushi repertoire. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or your own ehomaki creations in the comments below. Let's spread the joy and prosperity that ehomaki symbolized. Until next time, happy cooking and best wishes for your fortunate year ahead. Bye bye!